Ang main concern is security. I was looking around, maganda naman yung security nila. At saka, when I read the contract, parang martial law eh. Meron silang data na anong oras umalis, anong oras lumabas. Kung may mangyayaring masama, they will inform me. Sa mga magulang, kasi it's my first time that my child is away from me. At saka college na, then that my child is independent. My son, he should be independent. Hindi na laging tagging along with mama. So, so I would like to invite you to please come and see UPAD, the concept in UPAD. Kasi mawawala yung apprehensions nyo at saka anxiety nyo. And you will also help your child to prepare for adulthood, a real adulthood na. He can take care of himself.